kei reira te tū āpapa o tō ao. Ne? Ko te aho matua ki au te tū āpapa o tōku ao. Nāna au I tangata ai.
Wairea te rangi e tūnei, wairea te papa e tokoto nei, wairea te taumata kōrero ngā mātua, kua mene ki te pō, tihei, mauri ora e ngai ui o te motu, nau mai, haere mai, hoki mai rā, ki te taumata kōrero, welcome once, welcome twice, welcome 3 times to the taumata kōrero, the quintessential space to disseminate a little bit of esoteric knowledge. Ooh, articulate. Hara mai te reo Pākehā o te Māori nei, te poi Māori nei, e tātou mā. We've got a bit of a show on the cards for you all today. Ko te kaupapa kōrero, ko te kaupapa wānanga I tēnei wiki, Māori and Kura Kaupapa Māori. Who else but one of the most beautiful raukura to ever come out of any Kura Kaupapa Māori in New Zealand. I have joining with me today my tuahine, Te Ataakura Pewhairangi, te tuahine tēnā koe.
Tēnā rā koe, and unfortunately I don't have beautiful mihi hei. Whakahoki atu ki a koe ngari mihi ana I te ātāhua I nā kupu.
Ka pai, hara mai. I puta I au te kōrero. Māori and Kura Kaupapa Māori. Full immersion, total immersion Māori schooling. Let's not beat around the bush, but before we do that, I want to hear a bit about you. Ka hoatu te wahanga ki a koe, maupe, whakamārama mai, e ki mai, nā wai koe, I ahu mai koe I hea, e rā huatanga katoa.
Tēnā koe, o tira tēnā tātou. Ko te Ataakura Pewhairangi tōku ingoa, heuri, no te uranga mai o te rā, e kia nei ko te tai rāwhiti. Ko marotiri kei runga, ko te whānau ārua taupare kei o nā rekereke. No te kokoru o toko maru. Engari, I whānau mai, I tupu mai a hau I roto o te manawa tūhoro whenua, I roto o te iwi o rangitāne, I haere ki te kōhanga reo, I piki ake ki te Kura Kaupapa Māori, ki te whare kura ki reira. Heo kei konei, kei tāmaki makaurau a hau e noho ana, e mahi ana I nāe nei.
Ko roe e hihi ana ki te tuku I tēnei pātai ki tētahi no tērā takiwa. Ko rongo I ngā kōrero e rua, ko te pāpā I oea, ko te papa I oea rāne.
He nui ngā kōrero kua putai. Harau no tērā iwi, no reira koe a hau ki te whakaau I te tika I te hengari au I roto I te rohe o manawa tūhoro whenua, ko te papa I oea. Te kupu, te ingo, taua wāhira.
Yeah. What was that like growing up in Palmerston North, attending a Kura Kaupapa Māori in Palmerston North?
We had quite a unique upbringing. Unique in the sense that we were total immersion. Ko te reanga oku kaumātua, I patua mo te kōrero Māori te take. Nā te rāhuatanga, kaore te reo Māori whangaitia ki tōku pāpā. No reira ko te reanga o tōku pāpā o te rā oku mātua, ko te reanga I whawhai kia ora I te reo, kia whai wāhi ai te reo, I roto I ngā whakahaere katoa. No reira, ne ko te kakari nui kia tū ngā whare ako reo Māori. Ko rātau te hunga I whawhai kia tū ngā kōhanga reo, ngā Kura Kaupapa Māori. Nō reira, ka whānau mai ana hau ki te ao, kua tū ke ngā whare ako reo Māori. So, you know, when I was born, te reo Māori was around me. Yeah. You know, there were whare ako reo Māori for me to learn in. Yeah. So I wasn't part of the generation where we had to fight for te reo Māori. It was literally, you know, established. Yeah. Handed to me on a silver platter.
Let's talk about that. Let's go right back to the start. Let's define, for those of our viewers who are unaware, what is total immersion Māori language schooling, Kura Kaupapa Māori? What is it?
Ko te Kura Kaupapa Māori, he mea ārahi e te aho matua. Te aho matua is the founding document of all Kura Kaupapa Māori. It is literally how we ko tā tātou whakatinana, ko tā ngā kura, ko tā ngā whānau whakatinana i te aho matua, he rereke, ne? Kei tēnā kura, kei tēnā taone, kei tēnā takiwā, ana no whakahaere, ana no whakatinana i tēnei kaupapa. Kura Kaupapa Māori kohanga reo. I whakatūria, hei whakarauora i te reo Māori. And so my parents were committed, had trust in the kaupapa, and knew that this was the pathway for them. They committed to the movement, kohanga reo Kura Kaupapa Māori, and that's why we were put in to these kaupapa. And so the biggest commitment for my parents was for our kohanga, our kura in particular, one parent had to commit to only speaking te reo Māori to their children. And so we were fortunate enough to have both our parents commit to only speaking te reo Māori to us. And he Pākehā tōku māma, kaore ona toto Māori, engari ko tōna ngākau I mōhio I whakapono ki te kaupapa. And he mea nui tēnā, te whakapono ki te kaupapa, ka rau atu ngā tamariki ne me whakapono. And so they did. They had trust in the kaupapa, and they committed to the kaupapa, and still to this very day we only speak te reo Māori to one another. Yeah, so it's can't say it was an easy ride. You know, it's had its challenges. But I wouldn't have it any other way.
E te tuahine, e whiti mai ana tamanui te rā I runga I ene kōrero, me te tika hoki. Talk to me about how long this kaupapa's been going on. What are we talking? Are we talking 5, 10, 15, 30, 35 years? What are we talking? How long has this been? For those of our viewers who are unaware of that, whoa, there's a whole different method of teaching our babies.
Neke atu te toru te koutou. Ko te mātāmu o tēnei kaupapa, ko te kohanga reo. I tū ngā kohanga reo, nā wai ka whai mai ko ngā kura kaupapa Māori, pikirawa ke ki ngā whare kura. So no, they haven't been around forever. Like I said, my dad didn't grow up speaking te reo Māori. He didn't have whare ako reo Māori such as kohanga reo and Kura Kaupapa Māori. Nō reira, you know, it's still very new. There's still a lot of people that don't even know that Kura Kaupapa Māori exists. And so that's worrying in itself.
Why does that worry you?
It worries me because my tamariki are still in the kaupapa. And, you know, it was just yesterday that I saw myself and my 5-year-old, Tapairu, and we were on an Air New Zealand flight from Palmerston North back here to Auckland. And the flight attendant, as we landed into Tāmaki, said, "No mai haere mai ki Tāmaki Makaurau." And I saw her face just light up and say, "Mama, kei te kōrero Māori ia." She's speaking Māori. And so, you know, I remember being her age. I was so much in this bubble. You know, everyone around me spoke Māori. I had... all my mates spoke Māori, all my friends' parents spoke Māori, our whole community spoke te reo Māori. So it wasn't until I got to probably intermediate that I started to realise that not everyone spoke te reo Māori. And so 5-year-old, you know, little Tapairu, who's 5, sees that actually not everyone walks the same path as we do. Not everyone is part of the kaupapa that we are part of. And so it's worrying that... we still have to explain why it is that we do what we do, why it is that we need to have kaupapa such as kohanga reo and Kura Kaupapa Māori, and even to see a 5-year-old get excited about hearing te reo Māori on a plane. Like, you know, I want her generation and my mokopuna to be in a world where it's not unique, where it's you don't get a shock hearing, you know, the air hostess saying kia ora, no mai haere mai, you know. And so, that's kind of where I'm at.
Yeah. Tuhene, kia mōhi o koe, ka reo I tupu mai I roto I te kohanga reo, I roto I te kura kaupapa, I roto I te wharekura. Nō reira, tino aroha nui ana ki ngā mea ko puta I ngā kaupapa e toru. Hoino, he kaupapa ko tahi. What I really find interesting is, well, it's not interesting, it's actually like, I'm actually quite, tēnā mea te pūhaihai, hare te mea pai, engari he pūhaihai nui, kei roto I au. You know, when I went to university and I met some of the graduates from Kura Kaupapa, and some of them would be like, I'm sure they were having me on, they'd be like, oh bro, I didn't learn how to speak Māori, I didn't learn how to speak English until I was like 11.
Ai pono.
And
so
I was like, I couldn't process it, like, you know, and that's awesome, like our babies being able to have the ability to express their emotions, their whakaaro, in their mother tongue, in their native tongue. And then, but for me, like I was 18 at university and hearing these from these graduates of these Kura Kaupapa in South Auckland, they were like, oh yeah, bro, we didn't learn how to speak English until we were like 11, 12.
I was the same. It wasn't until I hit high school that I started learning English. Yeah, so, and I'm still learning English. I can't articulate myself as well as I can in English, as I can in te reo Māori. So, pēnei hoki me te reo Māori ne he tēnei mea te ako e kore nei e oti. Nō reira, e tino ki te ana, ia tātou ka hiko I te auheo, pā heke tēnei, nō reira, kei te ako tātou I ia rā. Pēnei me o tātou tamariki, me a tātou tamariki. Yeah, so that was like me. So total immersion, like literally everything in te reo Māori. Math, science, ka pāka ngā karaki o te ata, ngā hui a whānau, everything in te reo Māori. And for us, for our kohanga, for our kura, it was also in the home. So te reo Māori was everywhere.
Yeah. I don't know if this kōrero is like culturally sensitive, but ka katakatau ki etahi o ngā tamariki Māori, etahi wa ta tau tamaiti kei mea Hoani Waititi e haere ana. He's a bit fresh sometimes. Like ka puta tētahi kōrero Pākehā I ai, and I'm going, oh my bro, I'm not too sure. Maybe that doesn't, engari e kite ana e rongo ana I te wairua Māori I roto I te kōrero Pākehā. He mea tāhua tērā, ne? What's your take on that?
Tēnei mea te whakaaro Māori, bro. Tētai te whakaako. Engari anō te reo Pākehā, he mea e tai ana e tāua, e a tāua tamari ki te ako. Mōku ake nei, he mea nui ki au te whakatipu I a tātou tamariki, kia tū pakari, kia mai a te tū I roto I tōna ao Māori. For me personally, if you can stand strong with your taha Māori, then I think everything flows naturally after that. Yeah. Ne he ngāwari tō whirina ki atu ki reo ke, ki ahurea ki atu, ki whakapono ki atu I te mea he kei reira te tū āpapa o tō ao. Ne, ko te aho matua ki au te tū āpapa o tōku ao. Nānau I tangata ai. Nō reira, e kite ana tērei roto I aku tamariki. When you talk about hearing your son starting to learn English, yeah, ore te pū taku tamahi ne. You know, she's got the sentence structure. Yeah. It's just the joining words that are just missing. Yeah. But you still get the gist of it. That's what's great about languages. You ahakoa it's ahua hapa ana te reo ko te ia me te wairua o te kōrero ka marama ahakoa ahua hapa tonu ana ne. Yeah.
And like let's run with that, because earlier we were just talking about hanga kōrero teka ai ni tēnei Māori. We were yarning about linguistics and our responsibility to provide a platform for our kids to be able to express themselves. And it's not actually about teaching the reo, eh? And talk to me through te aho matua. It's not actually a method, a platform to teach te reo me ona tikanga ne. Talk to me a bit more about that.
Ko tā te aho matua e ono ona wāhanga. E ono ngā mātāpono me ki. And ko koe ka mōhio, ko tāua te Māori, he mea ārahi e ngā mātāpono, e ngā aria, e ngā tikanga Māori. Nā ko te aho matua te whakatinanatanga o tērā. You know, they're guiding principles I roto I te ao mātauranga. It's the guiding principle for teaching and learning.
Ai.
Ko te whakaaro Māori, ko te wairua Māori, ko te hono o te kiko ki te wairua, ko te whai koha ki ngā reo, ko te ira tangata, ko te ira wahine, ko te ira tāne, ko ngā ira atua katoa, ka kōrerotia katoa e nei tuāhuatanga, ka kitea i roto i te aho matua, ka whakatinana tia ki roto i ngā Kura Kaupapa Māori. Ki ana rā te kōrero, ko rangi nui rau ko papatua anuku te whare wānanga. Nā koina te whare wānanga roto i enei Kura Kaupapa Māori. Ko rangi nui, ko papatua anuku mea rau a tamariki katoa.
Yeah. Koe taku pūhaia kia koutou. You know, when I was 11 at I won't say korewi whakahua ingoa. When I was at intermediate school, I was learning about metalwork and how to make a, whatever they're called, this cut and that incision. Engari a koutou rā, ko whakatupuria mai, i runga i te mōhio, ko rangi nui e tūho nei, ko papatu anuku e takoto nei, a tāhua. And giving our kids that understanding, you can't take that, like that's actually something you can't take away from our kids. And if we run with that kōrero, you know, that our parents, our grandparents, some of our grandparents were the ones for speaking te reo Māori, then we start to see the true importance of te aho matu and Kura Kaupapa Māori.
Koina. Yeah. Ko tātou ngā wawata me ngā tūmanako o tātou tīpuna. Kei te kitea tēnei roto i ngā kohanga reo, i ngā Kura Kaupapa Māori. Kei te whakatinana tia ngā whero katoa o tātou mātua o tātou tīpuna.
Yeah. What's a ballpark figure? How many Kura Kaupapa Māori around the country? Like, what are we talking? 10, 20?
Ki taku mōhio, e mōhio ana i tōna ono te kau.
Choice.
Ki taku mōhio i puta i a paparawiri tōna ono te kau mā ono pēr, so about 66 all across Aotearoa. Yeah,
Far
so
out.
he nui tēnā.
Ai.
Engari, ki te ana, he me nui atu anō. Kei waititi taku ta mahine, he roa te rārangi ta tari, no re ki te ana. You know, it's great that we have, you know, long waiting lists, because it shows that kei te hihia tia te kaupapa.
Pono. Pono. What's I want to move our discussion along. Kura Kaupapa Māori, ka pai. Kura mō ngā mokopuna, he kōrero, actually nā, o taua kōrero anōra, ne, engari he rereke anōra te kawe. Kōrero mai rā, what is kura mō ngā mokopuna?
Kura mō ngā mokopuna. No tōku māma te whakaaro i whakatau, i nōna te whakaaro. Just before lockdown, my mum, both my parents are teachers actually, and she knew we were going to go into lockdown, so she actually sent an email to myself and my two siblings. She's still the email person. She sent an email, and the subject line in the email was Kura mō ngā mokopuna. So ko mō taku māma ko o ana mokopuna tōna ao. And so naturally, being a teacher, she wanted to ensure that her mokopuna and kids, children, would continue to learn even in our homes. So she... I hara mai ki a mātou puta te whakaaro, let's start up an online learning kura. My brothers don't have tamariki, and so naturally I just had to run with the idea and got in contact with a couple of mates and a couple of our whānau that also have tamariki, have mokopuna. And we came up with the idea that we would share the load, teaching our tamariki, you know, different things. You know, we've got artists, we've got singers, we've got storytellers, we've got mātanga karakia. And so we wanted, I know for my tamariki, they get sick of mama. So I wanted to make sure that they had other faces that they could learn off. And so Kura mō ngā mokopuna was established. Yeah, e ki ana te kōrero, ma te hapori te tamaiti whakatipu. It takes a village to raise a child, and that's literally what Kura mō ngā mokopuna was. You know, the village coming together and raising our tamariki.
There are some people out there who actually take notice of likes, shares, comments, views, and all this carry on. I was having a look on the way out actually, and there are some big numbers on that page, eh?
Yeah.
Like, what were we getting up to? Like,
So literally within like 24 hours, there was over 3,000 likes on our page. I didn't think it would be as big as what it was. What it was. And so we thought it was just going to be me, my siblings, a couple of the whānau.
Tapairu me te haiata.
Ai, tapairu me te haiata. And a couple of my mates' kids. But it quickly just blew up, 24 hours and then 48 hours. And I think it's over 11,000 likes now.
Oh, really?
And he rawe tera, he a tāhua tera ki au. Tuatahi I whakatūria te whārangi ko te mātāpono matua o te whārangi me mātua kōrero Māori anake. So naturally, ko te aho matua tonu tēnā kei tōku ao. Ko te reo Māori anake, te tūāpapa o te whārangi. There was 5 of us that ran the kaupapa, kura mō ngā mokopuna, and we were all raukura of kura kohanga reo and Kura Kaupapa Māori. So ngā whakahaere katoa o te whārangi I roto I te reo Māori. Ko ngā kaiako, ko ngā pukenga katoa, he kōrero Māori. Ai, nō reira, it was literally just continuing on what we had learnt in kohanga and kura and whare kura.
11,000 likes on the Kura mō ngā mokopuna Facebook page. E hara I te mea e pana ana te teina. Engari, ki taku rongo, horekau anō kia pērā rawa te huri a te Māori ki o tātou Kura Kaupapa Māori. What's the challenge here?
Ai. Ko te pai, e hara I te mea I toro te whārangi ki Aotearoa anake. We had viewers in Australia, in America, in Canada, in the islands. So ko te pai ki au, e hara I te mea kitea he challenge. E kitea te hiakai ki te reo. I had messages from parents who were over in Australia, who are longing for their language, their culture, and the mum messaged me and said, I can't speak te reo Māori, but can we be part of this kaupapa? Can my tamariki watch and learn the karakia and the waiata night? That's what it's about. Ahakoa ko te mātāpono o te whārangi me u ki te reo Māori anake, he wāhi mo te katoa. Yeah, so we wanted to be inclusive as well.
What does it feel like servicing the need of our Māori people? Because he nui, he tikara te kōrero, he hara mai te hiakai o te iwi Māori ki tēnā mea ki te reo. And not just here at home in New Zealand, but obviously and we know the Māori population in Australia, anything. I remember when I was working at Māori television on the news, I went over to Australia and I was a superstar. Ka hoki mai ki te kāinga, nobody wants to know me.
Yeah, mara mana te rāhuatanga. I feel it's my responsibility, my obligation as a raukura of kohanga reo, of Kura Kaupapa Māori, to continue this journey, to share what I know, to use my resources, to help others that want to be part of the kaupapa, whether it be kohanga reo, Kura Kaupapa Māori, whare kura aiwi, ko te mātāmua, ko te reo Māori, ko ngā tikanga Māori. And I kitea tērā, I kitea te hiakai ki e ratu āhuatanga, te hiahia ki te ako tonu, ahakoa I ngā whare tonu tātou. I think why it did blow up though was the calibre of kaiako that we had, the pukenga. We had the likes of Pānia Papa, Leon Black, Rangi Mātāmua, who are experts in their fields. And waimaria hau he kaiako katoa I nei nōku I aui I te panikiretanga I ngā kura reo. Nō reira, he karanga tungane, he karanga whaia, he karanga matua I nei ki au. Nō reira, te toro ngātu ki a rātau it's their responsibility and their obligation to continue on what, to share what they know with like-minded Māori, with our tamariki, with our mokopuna. Me pehe kore ai te whakai ki te kaupapa, me nā ko ngā tamariki, me nā rā ko ngā mokopuna, ka whai hua.
I want to, let's focus on Kura Kaupapa Māori. I ki au, puta i au te kōrero horakau i whai wāhi atu ki ngā kura. Engari, kua uru atu ngā tamariki ki roto i te kaupapa, ki roto i ngā kura. Where are we as parents of the current generation of Kura Kaupapa Māori students to be able to future-proof the kaupapa? Aini pēr he kaupapa kōrero tēnei mo te hui o ngā raukura. Aini tatake nei. How do we future-proof the kaupapa for the next 30 years, for the next 30 years after that?
Koira tāku e rangahau nei. Koira tāku e whai nei. For me personally, mā te tuku tonu i a tātou tamariki ki tēnei kaupapa kāora. E hara i te mea ko te haipapa ki ngā mātua, ko te tuku i ngā tamariki ki te kohanga, ki te kura kāia. Me whakatinana ngā mātāpono, ngā ria o te kaupapa ki te kāinga. E kite mai ai ngā tamariki i te wāriu. O ngā tuahuatanga katoa e ako nāna i te kura. So we as parents need to mirror what our tamariki are learning at kura. So they can see that it's actually, we are committed to the kaupapa in our homes. It's not just the responsibility of the kura to teach our tamariki. They're at home more than there are at kura, so we as mātua need to continue on that learning space for our tamariki at home.
It's interesting, when I ki mai koe, kia uru atu koe ki roto i a mana tamariki, ko tahi ana he te mātua, te māma, te pāpārane, me reo Māori.
Pēnei tāku ki nei, ko tā te kāinga, he mira i ngā koranga i te kura, ko tā te kura, he mira i ngā koranga ki te kāinga. We were so lucky to have both our mātua speak te reo Māori to us.
Yeah.
It's a unique situation. Me ua ka kitea tēnei tuahuatanga. And if you're lucky enough to have even a single parent commit to speaking te reo Māori to you, karawe tēnā, ka ora te reo i tēnā. Kei reira te kōrero me toru whakatipuranga rawa e ora ai te reo i roto i tō whānau. Nō reira, ko oku mātua he kōrero Māori, ko mātou ko oku tungane, tōku tuakana he kōrero Māori. Nā, ko whānau mai aku uri e kōrero Māori ana. Nō reira, ko tā te rangahau e mea ana ka ora te reo i roto i tēnā tuahuatanga. And so, I think why it was important when Mana Tamariki was established to have mātua commit to speaking te reo Māori was, one, research shows us that it takes 3 generations to ensure te reo Māori is sustained in that whānau. But more importantly, our tamariki at home more than they are at kura. And so our mātua need to be able to help our tamariki articulate their thoughts, their feelings in the language that they're using in kohanga and kura. And I feel like we don't have any excuses anymore to not learn te reo Māori. True. It's so accessible now. Yeah. There are free courses everywhere. Me mutu te... there was a...
He ato kōrero ki te hunga e kimi takunga tonu ana mo tēnei mea, mo te korenga o rātou e ako ana i te reo Māori. What do you say to those people who are still out there coming up with every excuse under the sun why they want to learn the reo, but they haven't actually taken that final leap, I suppose.
I can only talk about my experiences. So I was brought up in kohanga reo Kura Kaupapa Māori, whare kura. My partner wasn't. He had a different upbringing. Haere ki te kura o tana wāhi noho, pātatana ki te kāinga, ai haere ki tētahi kura auraki. So very different upbringing to me, mainstream schooling through his life. When I was hapu with my daughter, I told my tāne at the time, I'm sending our tamaiti through kohanga reo, through Kura Kaupapa Māori. So you're either on the waka or you're not. And it's scary. It's a huge commitment for someone that wasn't brought up and raised in that kaupapa. It can be quite intimidating. You know, especially when you're still figuring out who you are and who you belong to. Kei hea o take take. So I've experienced that over the past 5 years. He was adamant that he was not going to speak to Māori to our tamaiti. Still didn't really know whether we should send our tamaiti to kohanga and then on to kura. But I knew in my heart that I was enough, you know, for my tamaiti, that ka ora te reo I roto I taku tamaiti, māku te rā haipapa. You know, that was my responsibility, kei a papa tōna ake, haipapa, anake haipapa. But our daughter's now 5. Papa hasn't said a single English word to our children. He is so committed to the kaupapa. It's not funny, you know. So this was a person who wasn't committed, who was a bit spectacle about sending our tamariki through kohanga reo and Kura Kaupapa Māori. So e mara mana au ki te nui o ngā takunga. I've seen it, I've experienced it. And now he's on his own te reo Māori journey.
Wow, true.
Yeah, kua tīmata te ako anō I ona whakapapa, I ona take take. So, you know, I've had a really positive experience of sending my tamariki through kohanga and kura, and not having a partner who was, you know, there's a kōrero, moi a te raukura. Well, kare au I moi te raukura. I didn't have tamariki to a raukura of the kaupapa. And I remember there was a time where I was like, yeah, moi a te raukura, marairei ora te kaupapa, but we're living proof that actually moi a te ngā kauwhakapono.
Tēnā koe, tēnā koe te.
Moi a te ngā kauwhakapono ki te kaupapa. And, you know, my role as a graduate, as a committed mātua, is to guide my partner and my friends through this journey.
It's and that's, you know, when you talk to me like that, that makes me really see the true depth of the kaupapa. When you can understand that it's not just about teaching our children te reo, it's not just about teaching our children tikanga, it's not just about leading them back to finding the source of their true identity. It's about consolidating whānau. Whānau under a kaupapa, a positive kaupapa. Horakau I mōhio, pērā rawa koutou, me te rongo I te aroha ki tērā āhuatanga. Talk to me about how you've seen the development of your children in the kaupapa. And obviously this will take you back to when you were 5 years old, that little fresh Māori girl that couldn't speak a word of Pākehā. Now you've been through the 13 years of the kaupapa and more at kohanga. How's it been on the other side, looking in and watching someone else go through it?
So going through kohanga and kura and whare kura, I was very much so in a bubble. I left kura, I moved to Auckland and worked at Pukana, which was a 100% real Māori show. So, you know, even after I left kura, te reo Māori was very much so my world. So I was able to speak Māori, to think Māori, to practice Māori. It wasn't until I marama ki au te nui o te tōku māngari I pakeke mai a hau I roto I tēnei kaupapa, but it wasn't until I had my daughter that I knew how important this kaupapa was to me. You know, I remember being pregnant with her and there was no other pathway for us than kohanga reo, than Kura Kaupapa Māori. There's been challenges though. 4.5 months, my daughter was 4.5 months and I had to go back to mahi. I was working in television. And up here in Auckland, it was very hard to find a kohanga that takes babies that young. I think I started kohanga when I was 6 years old.
You started kohanga when you were 6?
6 weeks old, yeah.
Oh, 6 weeks old.
6 weeks old. I was at kohanga at 6 weeks old. And so I think that was kind of the norm back then.
So was that, is te kohanga reo o mana tamariki?
Ai, te kohanga reo o mana tamariki.
So you started when you were 6 weeks old.
6 weeks.
And you left when you were?
16.
Wow.
Ai.
That's 16 years or 15 and a half years.
Ai.
Far out.
So most of my life, yeah.
That's more than half of your life. Let's just put that into perspective.
Yeah.
That's more than half of your life under this kaupapa.
But I'm still in this kaupapa because I've got, tamariki. They say that once you're in the kaupapa, you never leave, and it's so true.
Yeah.
You can't escape the kaupapa. Yeah. So even though I left Kura, I'm now back in the movement with my tamariki. So she was 4.5 months. I couldn't get her into a kohanga. They don't take them that young. And I remember just being torn that I had to... Tapairu was at... she was at a kindergarten for 3 months.
Can I stop you there? I saw you were a bit hesitant to tell me that.
Yeah.
And I'm going to tell you something. I made a conscious decision too that we were going to do the exact same thing for our eldest son. I runga anui ngā taumahatanga kia whai wāhia tu ki ngā kohanga reo o akarana nei. I haere tatau tamaiti te ahi komau ki tētahi kindergarten mo te tata ki te kotahi tau.
Wow. Orite.
Me te aroha hoki e kite ana I tētahi, like those most formative years of our children's development, kei te tākoro pokanoho me ngā Pākehā. Ki aroha I te āhuatanga o tērā kōrero anu me te Māori me te Pākehā. Engari, he pērā rao te kino te rika I roto I au. Kua mate taku tamaiti ki te ako I raro I ngā mātāpono o tētahi punaha Pākehā.
Pērā taku tamaiti, toru marama. And it was just simple things like hats on tables, having kai in places they shouldn't be. So it was difficult. It was a really difficult place that I was in for 3.5 months. And even just thinking about it scares me. And so I'm so committed to the kaupapa that me and my daughter moved back to Palmerston for a year when she was 7 months old. Yeah, just so she could get into a kohanga. Because in Tāmaki, the waiting lists to Hawaii, they're
honestly,
so long.
you moved back to Palmy from Auckland?
We moved back to Palmy for a year. And she went back to mana tamariki. Yeah.
What was that like for the ones that, any kuia still there? Any still there that were like, oh, I remember your mother. I was changing your mother's nappies.
I reira tonu tawa hungara. Yeah, so some of my teachers were still there.
True.
Yeah, so I'm honestly, they never leave. You're always cool. Part of the kaupapa. Yeah, so she was there for a year. We were in Palmerston for a year. We only moved back to Palmy, to Tāmaki, to Auckland, when she could get into a kohanga. So that goes to show that kei te hia tia te kaupapa, all our kohanga are full. Let's make new ones. Let's start new kohanga because there's tamariki Māori out there that need a whare a kōrero Māori.
Is that on the cards?
Maybe not for me. I remember when I put up a post because she was 7 months, a raukura of the movement who couldn't even get her own child into the movement. And I remember back then thinking, oh my gosh, how do I get my daughter in? How do I get my tamaiti in? I am literally a product of this kaupapa. But now looking back, hea tāhua te rāhuatanga, e kite ana te hia tia, o te kaupapa, e aroha ana the limited resources that we do have.
Yeah. Well, let's talk about that. Let's go into the resources. And I don't want to force you into saying anything like politically radical or anything. Yeah. You're more than welcome to if you want to talk to the Labour government. Now's your time. There has been a lot of kōrero about the and kua roa e nei kōrero e haere ana. Kohanga reo and Kura Kaupapa Māori, whare kura and whare wānanga are under-resourced. Talk me through that. Have you seen that?
I mean, to have waiting lists is honestly, literally to Hawaii, just goes to show that we are underfunded. We can't hire any more staff. We can't even establish new kohanga here in Tāmaki. One, we can't fund it. Two, there's no kaimahi. And even our kaimahi in kohanga reo, they are so underfunded that it's just not even funny. MOE packs during COVID, I kitea. Kohanga reo tamariki got a pack. Early childhood children got packs. And I kitea te rereketanga. Tino kitea. Tino kitea te rereketanga.
Ngā peke nei?
He rauemi nā te tāhuhu o te mātauranga. Mō ngā tamariki Māori he pepa, etahi puka puka, he pene rākau. Ka mātua I tēnā ki
pene rākau.
He pene rākau ki taku mōhio. He kuti kuti. Yeah. MOE. Oh, they had, 1 to 5, I think. They had a puzzle or building blocks, chalk, coloured felt, coloured pencils, coloured paper, white paper, beautifully illustrated books, reading books. Yeah.
What do we do? The impetus is on the likes of you and I. What do we need to do? Is it get the tefa out of the closet and go to war for our kaupapa?
Well, I pērā o taua mātua, you know. E hoki ana ki ngā kōrero a tētahi o ngā tino pau o tō mātou kura. Homai he kura Māori. You know, ko te reanga o ōku mātua I poro tehi. I haere ki ngā tatau o te whare pāremata ki te kakari. I think for us, our platform is Facebook. You know, ki reira, puta I ngā whakaro, ngā hiahia, ngā tūmanako. I think we need to be clever in how we create resources for our tamariki. Kura mō ngā mokopuna was one of them. Yeah. You know, the MOE didn't have anything for our tamariki, so let's use what we have. Let's use the resources that we have to continue our tamariki Māori's learning journey. On top of that, their parents and their whānau. Yeah, so, I mean, there's so many resources out there to be made. Yeah. Kei te tārea. Ko te momo pēnei nei, he rawe nei. Te kitea ngā tamariki I ngā mātua, I ngā tuakana, e kōrero ana I ngā take o te wā. E whakaputa ana I ngā whakaro. E pai ai te apopo ki a rātau.
You got me thinking now. I think we should start a kohanga reo tuhine.
Koira tētahi whakautu. You know, koira, ko te rapu I tētahi kohanga reo anō. Whakatūria ngā kohanga reo. Rūmakina Aotearoa ki te reo. Koia ki au kia, me kore noa e kuru pākara noa I tāna tange I tōna anō whenua.
It reminds me, when you're talking, it reminds me of a kōrero. Some of the boys up north, we've got a bit of a click. So if you fellas watching. And we've got a kōrero that we in everything that we do, all of our mahi, we try and make te reo Māori cool.
Pai.
That word, making te reo Māori cool. Whether you're a teacher, how are you going to make te reo Māori cool? Whether you're a chef, how are you going to make te reo Māori cool? Whether you are sitting on a B-grade podcast, how are you making te reo Māori cool? Because at the end of the day, our kids are watching us. That's how I see it, that we're at the stage in our lives where we're kind of like the middle management, you know, like horekau no kia eke ki tērā taumata ki te ārahi I te iwi, horekau no kia tino rangatira. Engari, ko ngā tamariki e mātakitaki ana I te hunga pēnei a tāuane. And they're watching every move that we make that, oh yeah, cool, so I can make a Facebook kura mō ngā mokopuna page and 11,000 people, tātou tamariki katoa, he tino pai ki a rātou tēnā mea te like, te share me te comment. Ne. Yeah, Pono. So to see that a raukura can create a platform that is pro te reo Māori, that is pro tikanga Māori, that is pro te aho matua, that is pro Kura Kaupapa Māori, and 11,000 people like it, pai tera.
Aye. Well, I was lucky enough to have real positive role models growing up. Yeah. And so, he oe anō tāku he mira I tērā tua ahuatanga. You know, I had Māori-speaking doctors. Yeah. I had Māori-speaking lawyers, Māori-speaking scientists, educationalists, kaitorangapu. These were the type of people that were around me growing up. And so, you know, my experience of te reo Māori was positive. Yeah. You know, it was cool. It was everywhere in my ao. My siblings, my parents, my friends, my kura. Yeah. I remember back in high school, because our wharekura was so small, we had this thing called host schools where you could latch on to a local high school and play sports with them. And I think I would have been about 14 or 15 playing netball for a local high school in Palmerston North, and we would do sports exchanges. And naturally, you know, going to sport exchanges with other kura, there was always a pohiri. And so I was always asked to do the karanga, to do the karakia, to do the mōteatea, to lead the song. So, you know, I did that because that's all I knew, and as a ākonga of Kura Kaupapa Māori, that's just what we did. It's what we practiced every day. And I remember, you know, after leaving that kura and leaving the sports exchange, I remember a few of my friends from that local college saying, man, I want to be able to do that.
Choice.
I want to speak that language. Like, what were you saying? You know, so even back then when I was at high school, you know, there was that
You were
here.
the cool guy. The cool kōrero Māori guy.
Well, yeah, I think so, you know, but it was just that, you know, he mea nui te taiao. You know, your environment is so important.
Yeah.
And my environment growing up was positive, was everything te reo Māori.
Yeah.
And so that's all I know. So that's what I'm doing for my tamariki and my teina and my ngā uri whakatepu.
I want to provide three tangible things that we can do, that our audience can do, to support and uplift Kura Kaupapa Māori, not just today, but in the future, going ahead. What are three things we can do at home to ensure the safekeeping of our kaupapa?
First and foremost, kōrero Māori ki a tātou tamariki. Ko te reo Māori te tūāpapa o ngā whakahaerenga katoa ki ngā kura. So speak Māori to our children at home. Mirror everything that they do at kura at home. So it's natural for our tamariki. So they know that we don't only just speak Māori at school. You know, we speak Māori at home, at the mall, at the marae, ki te tī, ki te tā, ne, ki ko atu o ko mai, koira ki au tētahi. Mea, e tae ne tātou katoa. And even for myself, a fluent Māori speaker, I'm still learning. You know, he aupā heko tēnei. Nō reira, e ako tonu ana tātou i ia te rā. And te reo Māori journey never ends. If, you know, you get to a taumata and there's just more to learn. You know, there's always something to learn. And we're all at different stages, you know, on this journey of life. Nō reira, don't compare yourself and your journey to others. Just haere koe tō haere. Tuarua, mena he tamariki au, tukuna ki ngā kōhanga reo, tukuna ki ngā kura kaupapa Māori, kei reira te oranga mō taua mō te Māori. Mā reira e, that's how we ensure sustainability of kōhanga reo and kura kaupapa Māori. Is raukura, is Māori, having tamariki and putting them back in these whareako that, you know, took so long to establish. I whawhai te whawhai nui kia tūai e nei whare ako e hara I te mea I tū noi hoi mea mai te kawana ai Māori koe anei te kao he kakari nui I ko te reanga o tau mātua I whawhai I kakari kia ora ai te reo kia whai wāhi ai te reo I ngā whakahaere pēnei I te kohanga reo I te kura kaupapa Māori. And I think tuatoru ake me ngā kaumahaki ki te tangata. Pēnei me au nei I kaore taku tāne I whakapono ki te kaupapa, kaore taku tāne I mārama ki te kaupapa. So we didn't always have a positive start to kohanga reo, to kura kaupapa Māori. I had a partner that was a little bit hesitant. But, you know, myself and my whānau ensured that we nurtured that nothing was forced. And that it was something that grew naturally. You know, he decided that he was going to commit to speaking te reo Māori to our tamariki, that he was going to commit to the Kohanga Reo movement and the Kura Kaupapa Māori movement. I was just passionate and said, you know, I remember saying, you know, this is what we're going to do, and this is why we're going to do it, and this is how we're going to do it.
Ake.
Ai, pono, he tino pērā hau, but, you know, it's he rereke mo tēnā, and I think for him, he had to ride the wave and figure it out for himself, and it wasn't until he figured it out ka tahina ka āta poi. No reira roto I te ngā kaumahake ki te tangata, ka tepu te whakapono, ka tepu te hiahia, nā te kaupapa I hoki anoa ia ki ona take. Nā te kaupapa I hiahia aia ki te ako tonu I tōna reo, ki te whāngai I tōna reo, ki ana tamariki. Nā kua tīmata tōna whānau, ko tōna tuakana hoki tēnā, e ako tonu ana I te reo Māori. Nō reira, mā te ngā kaumahaki ki te tangata, e tipu ai te kaupapa.
Mea tua whāpea, moia te ngā kau whakapono ki te kaupapa.
Koia.
Tino pai ngā Māori nei ki te moe. Ia rātou no hoi anō he korora no tērā. E hoa, e te tuhine, I'm going to throw to our song of the week. It's a bit of a throwback for me, and I told you I had a treat for you, and you're going to like this one, I think. Te taima tuatahi I rongo au I tō reo. I think, rua mano mā waru te tau. I tū tētahi kapahaka kura tuarua, I te papa whakatū waiwai, I te whanganui a tara. Ka rongo I tētahi kōtiro Māori, kua puta mai me tana reo hāmama. Me taku miharo hoki. I go back to 2008, the National Secondary Schools kapahaka competition, te piringa. Te taima tuatahi, the first time I heard your voice and I thought, gee, who's this one? Thinks she's all that. Me te miharo hoki I kitea te Māori o te tū. E mihi ana, ka waiho tērā hei reo, hei waiata tautoko ake I wā tāua kōrero I tēnei ata. So, our song of the week, the 2008 action song from Te Piringa, when you fellas were in Wellington, aini pia when we come back, you can give us a bit of a breakdown on that, because he nui ngā kurahuna kei roto I tērā waiata ne. So, that's our song of the week e tātou mā. This is the Taumata Kōrero. Kia mau tonu maira. Ka pai e tātou mā kuia tērā ko tērā o tātou kapahaka rongo nui ra wātu o te ao Māori te piringa. Me tō rātou kaitātaki wahine i tērā tau, tō tātou kai kōrero i tēnei rā. Tuahine, talk me through, we were just talking about there's some really important messages contained within the framework of that composition. Ataahua.
He tino ataahua. E maharanau i tērā tau, rua mano māwaru. I te ako tonu i te reo, i te ako tonu ki enei kupu hau, nā ka whakaturia mātau i reira. Ka mea mai a Leona, these aren't new words. Yeah. These are just words that are sitting in our papa kupu, waiting to be used. And ko taua taura te tau i, actually 2006, ko te tau i tīmata noa i te hahu i ngā kupu hau nei. Kei noho puahu noho i roto i ngā papa kupu. Nō reira, te wāhi ki a Leon ko te whakatinana anō, ko te whakakupu anō i enei kupu kua roa e noho anei ngā papa kupu. E pai ai tā tātou whakahua i o tātou whakaro, i o tātou karearoto, penei i te wai o tātou tīpuna, nei mōhio rātou ki ngā kupu katoa. Hei whakahua i te wawaro, te hau, i te tiori a ngā manu, i te ngarue o te whenua, i te riporipo ngā wai. Nō reira, he oe anō tāna, he whakatō i te rahia, he whakatena, he whakakipa ia mātau te hunga taiohi, te hunga rangatahi o aua wāra, ki te mau ki te reo, ki te whāngai tonu, i tēnei reo i enei kupu. Ki te motu. So Leon encouraged us to use these kupu. They weren't new words. They were foreign to us, but they weren't new words. They are kupu that our ancestors used on a daily basis. You know, ka tai mai te taia nifa o manene o Pākehā ki Aotearoa ne kahuri. Ka kitea te mimiti haere o te hunga I mōhio ki te whakamahi I ngā kupu nei, ki te whakawaha I ngā kupu nei. And so he encouraged us, our reanga, to start using these kupu. Mōku nei, e rangatira I nei kaupapa, I nei whare ako o ti rātou taua reo. Me whakatinana, me kōrero, me tuku, mā reira e tutuki ai ngā wawata me ngā tūmanako o taua mātua, o taua tīpuna hoki. Ki au ki reira te ito o tēnei mea o te Māoritanga. Kōrero tia te reo ki te tī, ki te tā waiata tia, tuhia, moi ātia, anō ko te reo te mutunga mai. Nā, ki roto ki ngā whare ako reo Māori nei, e ratu ahuatanga katoa whakatutuki ai.
Tāhua. Hoi anō e te tuahine hihi anau kia rongo kui te aroha nui kei roto I au. Mōi whakawāte mai I a koe. Whakapuare tia mai tēnei whare. Hei nohoanga mā tātou mā tēnei kaupapa I tēnei rā. E mihi nui ana me te aroha nui. Ki a koe otira ki tā tātou kaupapa. E mihi ana. E tātou mā koea tērā ko te Taumata Kōrero mō tēnei wiki. That is the Taumata Kōrero done and dusted for another week. It's been a bit of a roller coaster this week because that was mean. I enjoyed that. That was some beautiful kōrero that came out. What I am going to do is I am going to politely suggest that you follow us on all social media platforms. Kura mō ngā mokopuna on Facebook. You can find us there. Be the 11,000 and first follower on our page. You can also get in touch with us on the Taumata Kōrero Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Spotify, iheatu, wherever you get your podcasts. You can also get us at renews.co.nz, tvnz.co.nz. We are coming at you. Long live the wānanga e hoama. Let's keep it going. Kia hoki anō rā ki e rā kōrero, ko te pō e kātau. Tēnei rā ko te Taumata Kōrero. Kahuri. Kōrero.